What's going on, guys? Today I'll be bringing you my 2018 New Year's Eve fireworks stash. So to start off, we'll start off with some of the safety stuff and then we'll get into some of the novelty fireworks. So to start with, we've got some lighters just to light punks and fuses. We then have a tube which is full of punks. Let me just show you. So they're just punks that I just collect. We then have 4 rocket tubes here, and then we have a bigger rocket tube for setting off bigger fireworks or bigger rockets, and then we'll move into some of the novelty stuff. So to begin with, I have a random pack of Sparklers by Night Star fireworks. I then just have a random packet of Party Poppers by Esco fireworks. I then have 9 boxes of Tricky Fun Snappers by Ultra Fireworks. I then have almost a full brick of these Fun Snaps by Bright Star Fireworks. And then I have a closed brick which is full of Fun Snaps, which are just the original brand. So I'm just going to move all this out of the way, and then we'll start with some of the small fireworks. So we have some small fountains. We have, I'm not going to read them because it's just going to take a lot longer. So we've got the small fountains there. We then have some small rockets as well. So I don't really light these off because I don't really do much, but you can check my other fireworks stashes to see what they are. And then we'll start to get into some of the bigger stuff. So I'll just go ahead and move these out the way. So to start off with, we got the Monster Selection box by Bright Star Fireworks. So we have 2 boxes of that. We then have a packet of Loud and Clear Shot Shoes by TNT. And this pack contains altogether 74 grams. And each shot tube has 14.8 grams. And we'll get into some of the bigger stuff. So I bought 2 more packets of the Warhawk rockets for New Year's. So the rockets are pretty big. They have 60 grams of powder per each rocket, and the pack contains 300 grams. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the floor. So as you can tell, that's a pretty big pack of Warhawks or rockets, and I've got 2 packets of them for New Year's. So I'll go ahead and I'll lay everything out again for you guys so you can see it all. I'm not gonna bother putting down like the rocket tubes and that, because they're not really fireworks. So, got some sparklers, some more Fun Snaps, and also I've got some punks and lighters. So, let me just quickly go over it. So we have, that's pretty much everything we have. So thank you guys for watching, and I may do a demo video on them Warhawks for 2018, and that's about it. Goodbye.